Hi guys, today I was going to show you how to make a very simple granny square. So I've got two simple granny squares here. We're going to make one just like these. Very easy to do. I'm going to be using this wool, which is a double knit wool, and I'll start it off so that it comes out just like this. It's very easy. So I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. And I'm going to start by making a simple slip knot, just like that. And I'm going to put my crochet hook in the slip knot, and I'm going to do 5 slip stitches. So round the wool, pull it through, that's 1. Round the wool, pull it through, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my row of slip stitches. Now I'm going to turn it and go to my first slip stitch. I'm going to put my hook through the first slip stitch. I'm going to take the wool, pull it through that slip stitch and pull it through the last one that I'd just done, like so. Now I've got a little circle, which is the centre of my granny square. Okay, so now I'm going to do 2 more slip stitches. 1, 2. And now I'm going to do a double crochet stitch. So I'm going to take the wool around my hook, put it right through the centre of the circle, take the wool back through the centre of the circle. Now I've got 3 on there on my crochet hook. I'm going to take the wool round again, put it through 2. That leaves me with 2. Then I'm going to take the wool round again, put it through both of those 2, so I'm left with 1. And I'm going to do that again. So around the wool, through the centre, pick up the wool, bring it through, around the wool again, pull it through 2, around the wool again, pull it through 2. There we are. Now that is essentially one of these. So I need to move around the corner to get to the next one. To go around the corner, I'm going to do 2 slip stitches. So 1, 2. That's my corner. Now I'm going to do 3 more double stitches, double crochet. So around the hook, through the centre, around the hook, around the hook, through 2, around the hook, through 2. And I'm going to do that again. Around the hook, through the centre, take the wool and pull it through, around the hook, pull it through 2, around the hook, pull it through 2. And I'm going to do that one more time. Around the hook, through the centre, pull it through, around the hook, through 2, around the hook, through 2. There we go. So now we have that one and that one done. Okay, and a corner. Give myself a little bit more wool to play with. So I need now, done that one and that one, I need to make another corner. So that's 2 more slip stitches. 1, 2. And now I need to do a third one of these. So that's 3 more double stitches. So I'm going to go around the hook, through the centre, pull it through, around the hook, pull through 2, around the hook, pull through 2, and again around the hook, through the centre, pull it through, around the hook, pull through 2, around the hook, pull through 2. One more time, around the hook, through the centre, pull it through, around the hook, pull through 2, around the hook, pull through 2. And there we have it. So that's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. We need to do our corner and then go to the 4th one. So remember, to do the corner we need to do 2 slip stitches. 1, 2. And now we need to do our 4th part there. So we've got to do 3 more double crochets. around the hook, through the center, take the wool, pull it through. Let's move the endy bit out of the way. Around the hook, through 2, around the hook, through 2, and again, around the hook, through the center, take the wool, pull it through, around the hook, through 2, around the hook, through 2, and again, around the hook, through the center, pull it through, around the hook, through 2, around the hook, through 2, and there you have it. Okay, so now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to finish that corner off there. 2 slip stitches to do that. 1, 2, and we've sorted. Now we need to attach it there, and then we're going to start again. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go under that stitch there, pull it through again, and we have our center. There, that bit there. Okay, so now I need to do the next row. So to start off, I'm going to do 2 slip stitches. 1, 2. And then I'm going to do 2 more double crochet round the hook, and I'm going to go into that space there, which is the space of the corner that we just made. So through the space, pull it through, round the hook, through 2, round the hook, through 2, and again, round the hook, into the space of the corner, pull the wool through, round the hook, through 2, around the hook, through 2. Okay, now that's that one that I've just done. I now need to make a little space to move to that one, but I'm not doing a corner, I'm just going across, so that means it's just 1 slip stitch. So 1 slip stitch there. Then I'm going to go back to 3 more double crochet round the hook, into that corner, pull it through 2, through 2, round the hook, into that corner space, through 2, round the hook, into the corner space, through 2, through 2. Okay, so now I have that one there. Now I need to turn the corner. So remember, for a corner I do 2 slip stitches, 1, 2. Okay, and then I have to put the next one, so I'm here, this one goes into the same space, so back into the same space I was just working on. So 3 more double crochet around the hook, into the same space, pull it through 2, through 2, around the hook, into the space, pull it through 2, around the hook, into the space, pull it through 2, through 2. Okay, so we have a nice little corner there. Now this one I'm just going above, I'm not doing a corner, so it's just 1 slip stitch. Now I'm going to go into this space, so 3 more double crochet round the hook, pull it through, round the hook, into the space, through 2, round the hook, into the space, through 2, there we go. Now I need to do a corner and then work in the same space again. So corners are 2 slip stitches, 1, 2. Just give myself some more wool. And then I'm going to be working back in the same space because I'm doing a corner. So it's 3 more double crochet. The second one, around the hook, put it through 2, again. Okay, and there's my corner again. Now I'm just going across the top, I'm not making a corner, so it's just 1 slip stitch. And then I'm working on this space, around the hook, through we go, 3 double crochets, that's 1, 2, 3. 2 more because I'm going around a corner, and because it's a corner I'm going back into the same space, around the hook, into the space. So I'm doing 3 more double crochet again. So it's a pattern, a repetitive pattern that's very easy to complete. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going across the top, so that's just 1 slip stitch because it's not a corner, and I'm going to go back into this space, 3 more double crochet, that's 1. Get myself a bit more wool. The only problem with crochet is the wool is always getting caught up. And that's number 3, pull it through. Okay, so I'm nearly at the end of my second row. I need to finish off this corner, so that's 2 slip stitches, 1, 2, and then I need to join it through there. So I put it through that stitch, pull it through, and there you have it. That's the center there, like that one there. You just carry on, do 2 slip stitches, then 2 more double crochet into that space there, 1 across, 3 double crochet into that space there, 1 slip stitch across, 3 double crochet into that stitch there, space there, and then because you're turning a corner it'll be 2 more slip stitches and then 3 more double crochet back into the same space and across, and you carry on until you get the full granny square. And that's basically it. And the fun part is at any time you can either carry on in the same colour or you can add different colours, and I'll show you on my next video how to add different colours so that you get granny squares of all different colours. And when you've got your granny squares you can then make them bigger and bigger. Here's one I'm currently doing at the moment, so it gets bigger and bigger. This is going to be the back of a cushion cover. I've got one here that I'm working on that is a blanket. Just the same thing, just a granny square that's got bigger and bigger. Or you can join them together like this. Have lots of granny squares. You can turn them into blankets, you can turn them into cushion covers, all sorts of things. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that. I'll make more videos as well because there's other stitches you can do to make granny squares that have different kind of sunbursts and flower type things. This one's got a heart in it. It's very addictive. So I will catch you later. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.